is Ken with sledtrack.com, and today we're going to do an overview on the Camso 9202 Ice Attak XT snowmobile track. This comes factory pre-studded, which results in huge improved traction gains in ice and hard pack conditions. It's a 1.220 lug height, which has great handling and stability without having too much profile for most trail conditions that you find with using this type of track. That has an optimized rubber compound that increases lug rigidity for superb traction on groomed trails. You can see it's a wide, stable base which really holds up well under braking and acceleration. And this tread design works very well in loose conditions. And then for the harder conditions, you see 288 studs molded into the track directly from Camso. The information on this particular 9202, it's a 136 by 15 with a 252 pitch, all open windows, weighs about 45 pounds. It's fully clipped, it's a single ply for improved fuel mileage, less rolling resistance, and the durability is fine on these single ply tracks with this pre-studded version. So, any other questions, you can call us at 607-693-1031. Check it out on the website, sledtrack.com. And I'd be glad to answer any questions, and they're in stock and ready to go. Thank you.